Good morning, students. Thank you very much, students, for clicking on my video. I'm your Nagini ma'am, chemistry mentor. In today's section, I'm going to discuss about the quantum numbers topic. Based on this topic, what are the previous year's questions there? That questions I'm going to solving, students. This is a NEET preparation series, day 2. In day 1, that is the previous video. Please, once you go through that, this is the continuation, students, day 2. Okay, this is topic is from structure of atom. First PUC, second lesson. Clear, students? Right. 11th class, no. 11th class or first PUC, structure of atom, no. Second lesson. Now see, students, what is the maximum number of orbitals that can be identified with the following quantum numbers: n equal to 3, L equal to 1, m equal to 0. Now here what given, that according to that you write n equal to 3 is nothing but third shell, L equal to 1. So we know that L values what, students? For S sub shell 0, P sub shell 1, D sub shell 2, F sub shell 3. Just you remember this one, then you can easily identify. M equal to 0. So M values for S sub shell 0, for P sub shell, in P sub shell Px, Py, Pz will be there. Px minus 1, Py is plus 1, Pz is 0. Okay, for D sub shell here we have dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, dz square. Dxy value minus 2, this is minus 1, and dz square value 0, and next one dzx value plus 1, this is plus 2. Are you clear, students? So these are the values, m values. Are you understanding, Nana? These are the m values. Sorry, students, m values. S for S sub shell what, students? 0. M values for P sub shell. In P sub shell 3 orbitals will be there: Px, Py, Pz, minus 1, plus 1, 0. In D sub shell total 5 orbitals: dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, dz square. These are the values: minus 2, minus 1, plus 1, plus 2, 0. Now question C, n equal to 3. N equal to 3 is nothing but this is the principal quantum number. L indicates azimuthal quantum number. M indicates magnetic quantum number. So n equal to 3 is nothing but third shell. L equal to 1. L equal to 1 value, which one? P sub shell. So 3p. And m equal to 0. M equal to, for P sub shell, m equal to 0 value given. That is which one? 3pz. Are you clear? 3pz1 man. Okay, na? 3p. What is the maximum number of orbitals that can be identified with the following? How many orbitals are possible in 3pz? This is 3p, Nana. Okay, this is 3p. This is which one? Px. This is py. This is pz. In pz, how many orbitals are there? How many orbitals in pz? Only one orbital is present. Correct or not? In pz. In pz, how many orbitals are there, students? In pz, the maximum number of orbitals that can be identified with the following: 3p kada, 3 orbitals. Please don't confuse, students. Here asking m value also given. M value is for pz, so that means pz means only one orbital is possible. Understood, Amma? So only one orbital is possible, students. Okay, so option is A is the correct answer. Okay, now see, students, second question: maximum number of electrons in a subshell. So L equal to 3, n equal to 4 given. N equal to 4 means which subshell? Fourth subshell. Are you clear? So n is equal to 4 means which subshell, students? Fourth shell. L equal to 3. L value 3 means which subshell? F subshell. Correct? The maximum number of electrons in a subshell. So okay, take Nana. L equal to 3. L equal to 3 is nothing but F subshell. That means 4F given. Okay, the maximum number of electrons in a subshell. In a subshell, 4F is asking, students, how many electrons are present. So you can write F subshell. Just you can write, this is the 4F. Total 7 orbitals will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes will be there. 7 orbitals. 7 orbitals. In each orbital, 2 electrons can accommodate. 7 orbitals means 7 into 2, 14 electrons can accommodate. Okay, now, and one more formula is there, students. The number of electrons. What is the formula? The number of electrons in subshell. In the given subshell is equal to formula 2 into 2L plus 1. Here which subshell given, students? Which subshell given? F subshell given. The number of electrons in a subshell. Which subshell this is? F subshell kada. Are you clear this one? So F subshell. So F subshell given. So formula is what? 2 into 2L plus 1. So L value already given. L equal to 3 given. So just you substitute in this formula. You will get answer 2 into 2L plus 1. L value given. So L equal to 3 means 2 into 3 plus 1, that is 7. 2 7s are 14 electrons. Like this also you can calculate, or direct formula also you can use. 2 into 2L plus 1. Are you clear, students? So from this what we got answer? 14 electrons. Option A is the correct answer. Are you clear, students? Okay, because the number of electrons in subshell is asking 2 into 2L plus 1, direct formula. L value magnetic quantum number substitute, you will get answer. Otherwise n equal to 4f, that just you write like this. F sub total 7 orbitals, 14 electrons. Now see, students, third question. The total number of atomic orbitals in fourth energy level of an atom is, fourth energy level is asking. For the total number of atomic orbitals in the fourth energy level means n is equal to fourth shell given. Are you clear? So fourth shell given. N is equal to what given? Fourth shell. Are you clear? Fourth shell. That means how many atomic orbitals are present? Here direct formula is there, students. The number of orbitals present in the shell is equal to formula n square amma. So based on this formula, students, we can calculate this type of problems. Just n is equal to which shell given here? Fourth shell given. So formula is the number of orbitals present in the nth shell is equal to n square. So from this formula we can calculate in the fourth shell how many orbitals are there. The number of atomic orbitals present in the fourth energy level is nothing but fourth shell. So calculate, students. N is equal to 4 means 4 square kada. N is equal to fourth shell given. So that means n is equal to 4 is nothing but n square kada formula. 4 square, that is nothing but 16. 16 orbitals are present. Are you clear? 16 orbitals are present, students. So that answer is option B is the correct answer. If suppose third energy level asked, then 3 square 9 orbitals. Are you clear this one? Third energy level. Are you clear, students? So 3 square, that means third 9 orbitals you will get. That is the answer. So this formula you have to practice, students, then you can calculate easily, students, this type of problems. And this one more formula, this also the number of electrons present in the subshell formula is 2 into 2L plus 1. Okay, and now see, students, fourth question. What asked Nana? What is the fourth question? Maximum number of electrons in a subshell of an atom is determined by the following. Number of electrons is asking. Number of electrons in the subshell. So here, what is the formula, students? The maximum number of electrons. So the number of electrons present in the subshell. So the maximum number of electrons present in the subshell. In the subshell, what is the formula, students? 2 into 2L plus 1. Correct? This is the formula. Already I told you here. Here only last problem we discussed. Number of electrons present in the subshell. Formula is what, students? That is 2 into 2L plus 1. Now by using this formula, what asking? Maximum number of electrons in a subshell of an atom is determined by the following. Just formula only asking. Okay, 2 into 2L plus 1. So what here? This one we can write it as 2 into 2L plus 1. What we can write? 2 2s are 4L plus 2. Are you clear? Like this we can write. So what is the option? 4L plus 2. So option D is the correct answer. Are you clear, students? So like this you have to calculate. Now see, students, next problem. Which of the following is not permissible arrangement of electrons in an atom? So which is not accepting in this one? Here principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, spin quantum number values given, students. See, in 4 values, so which is not acceptable? Are you following? Which is the wrong? which is the wrong, you have to identify. So n equal to 5 is nothing but which shell, students? Fifth shell. L equal to 3 is nothing but we know that L values for S subshell 0, P1, D2, F3. Clear? Just you remember that. And M values for S subshell 0, P values 0, -1, 0, +1. For D subshell -2. Are you clear? -2, -1, 0, +1, +2. Just you remember these values. S is equal to +half, S is equal to -half. So these are the values. Now see, students, n equal to fifth shell. L equal to 3 is nothing but which subshell? F subshell. Are you clear? 5F. And next one, S is equal to +half given. So S is equal to +half means spin quantum number +half value. It is possible. Are you clear, students? This one is possible, 5F. Now coming to n equal to 3, n equal to 3 and the third shell, L equal to 2 is nothing but D subshell 3D, because in fifth shell 5 subshells will be there. That means F subshell is possible. S value it may have plus of or minus of, and M value also what given? M equal to, here what given? M equal to 0 given. First option A. Are you clear, students? Now see, here M equal to 0 given. M equal to, for F subshell, M value where it is 0, it is F. In F subshell 0 is possible, because yes, for D subshell total 5 values we got. For F subshell how many values we will get, students? How many values we will get? Total M values kada, 2L plus 1 formula. So F is the F subshell we are taking. F subshell, so that means here L value how much for F subshell? 3. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7. 7 values you will get. That means -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, +3. That means M value 0 is possible. Correct? So M value 0 is there in F subshell, and S value also plus of is possible. Now see second option, n equal to 3, third shell, L equal to 2. L equal to 2 is nothing but second shell. That second 2 means D subshell. M equal to -3. In D subshell, now see, this is the D subshell, students. In D subshell -3, M value what given? -3 given. -3 there -2, -1, 0, +1, +2 is there. But -3 is there given in the question. So M is equal to -3 is not possible, because only -2 to +2 values only possible M values for D subshell. So that's why this is not acceptable. Are you clear this one? So option B is the correct answer, which is not acceptable. So that is, which is not permissible arrangement. This is wrong. Now C option also you check, students. N equal to 3 means third shell. L equal to 2. L equal to 2 is nothing but D subshell 3D, and M equal to -2. In D subshell M values -2 is possible. S equal to minus of possible. So it is also, it is acceptable. N equal to 4, fourth option. Now see, tell me, students, N equal to 4 is nothing but 4. L equal to 0. L value 0 means S subshell 4S. Are you clear, students? L equal to M equal to 0. M equal to 0 means for S subshell. For S subshell M value how much? For S subshell M value 0. So that's why it is also possible. Minus of also possible. Are you clear? So which is the wrong option? B option is wrong, which is not permissible. This one, because M value L equal to 2 means here that is which subshell? L equal to 2 D subshell. In D subshell only M values -2, -1, 0, +1, +2 possible, but the question is -3 given, so that's it is not possible. Are you clear, students? So next, last question now. See here, what is the last question asked? Consider the following sets of quantum number is not possible. N, L, M, S. Now see, students, here is not possible is asking. See here, first here these are the option, these are options given here, A B C D, 4 options given. Which is the correct? You have to write. Which is not possible, you have to write. Now first I am going to check N is equal to, these are correct or not, I am going to check. See here, N equal to 3 given. 3 means third shell. L equal to 0 given. L equal to 0 is nothing but which one? S subshell 3S. M value 0. M value 0 is possible kada for S subshell, so it is possible. So first option is possible. Okay, next second option C. Second 2S is there. 2 L equal to 2. L equal to 2 is nothing but which one? D subshell. Are you following? Clear Nana? So here L equal to how much given? L equal to 2 given kada. L equal to 2. L equal to 2 means how much? L equal to 2 means D given. 2D. 2D is possible. In the second shell, two subshells will be there. In the second shell, two subshells only will be there. That means only in the second shell, only two subshells, 2s, 2p only will be there. It is possible 2s, 2p, but here 2d is there. So it is not acceptable. So this is the wrong. And coming to fourth one, third option, fourth shell, n equal to 4 given. N equal to how much given, Nana? 4 given. 4 means fourth shell. 3 L value. L value 3 means that is 4 F subshell, and M is that means N is the principal quantum number, shell number. L indicates the subshell number. Are you understanding, students? L gives the information about subshell. That means it which subshell? F subshell. And M is the orbital. Now see students, -2 value given. -2 is possible in F subshell. Now once you check F subshell values, Nana, -2 there, -2 also is there. So and minus of also will be possible, spin quantum number. So this is correct only, it is acceptable. Now coming to fourth option, students. Now coming to the fourth option, here n value 1, L value 0. N equal to 1 means first shell. S subshell value L is equal to 0 given. L equal to 0 means for which subshell? S subshell L value 0. M value -1. For S subshell M value -1. For S subshell, what is S subshell? M value 0 kada. It is not equal to -1, but here given -1 given, so it is not acceptable. Are you clear? Last option C, Nana. 3 2 3 plus of 3 is nothing but third shell. Here L value 2 given. L value 2 means which subshell? D subshell. Are you clear? And M value 3. In D subshell M value 3 we will get a, in D subshell M values 3 is there a, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, 3 is not there. So it is also not acceptable. So these four quantum numbers wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. So which option correct? He's asking which is not possible. Is asking 2 not possible, 4 not possible, 5 not possible. So 2, 4, 5. Which option you have to check it? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 5. B option is correct answer. Are you clear? 2, 4, 5 is the correct answer. So that's it. First you have to practice this all the things, students. Are you clear? Once again I am giving the clue, students. See here, best trick I am going to discuss. Now see, this all the questions you can easily calculate. Best trick. So n values. What is n values, students? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is n values. This is which one? Principal quantum number. Principal quantum number. N values. Okay, na? That means it indicates the shell number. These are all arrow shell number, students. Okay. Now coming to the L values. L values. L values for S subshell 0. P subshell 1. Are you clear? P subshell 1 and D subshell, students, D subshell 2, F subshell 3, F subshell 3 L values. Now coming to the M values. Now tell me, students, M values. So M values, Nana, for S subshell M value 0. For P subshell, in P subshell Px, Py, Pz 3 are there. This value is -1, this is +1, this is 0. Just you remember these values, students. Okay. Next, D subshell. In D subshell, dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, and dz square will be there. This value -1, this is -2, this is -1, this one is +2. Okay, and this one is this is +1, this is +2, this is 0. Okay, just you remember, students, only these are the values belongs to this one. Okay, just you remember these values: -2, -1, 0, +1, +2 for D subshell. Are you clear? And coming to the F subshell, now what is F, students? F values minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Just you remember this all. You can easily answer this type of all questions, students. Okay. Thank you very much, students. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this video, students. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, students. Thank you very much. Please support me, then I can do still more videos. Please subscribe my channel, students. Thank you very much, students.